Start. Para. The accused stands prosecuted for commission of offence punishable under section 498 in bracket A, 306 and 504 read with section 34 of IPC full stop. Para. The brief facts of the subject matter are as follows. The complainant Suresh Bhalerao, who is a retired senior citizen, is residing at Vikas Nagar along with his wife, son, daughter-in-law, grandchildren, full stop. He has also two daughters named as Sushma Kadam, who is elder, and Varsha Kamde, who died in accident, is younger daughter, full stop. Accused number 1 is husband of deceased Varsha, who was serving in cycle showroom at relevant time of accident, full stop. Their marriage was taken place on 13/4/2014 in accordance with Buddhist religious ceremony, full stop. It was arranged marriage, full stop. The accused number 2 is mother of accused number 1, full stop. She is residing along with accused number 1, full stop. After marriage, deceased Varsha came for cohabitation in house with accused, full stop. The accused behaved with them properly for initial 1.5 years, full stop. Thereafter, they started to give ill treatment to her, full stop. According to the complainant, accused were abusing her daughter in filthy language, full stop. They were giving taunts to her on account of non-procreation of child at initial period of marriage, full stop. The accused number 1 was giving physical as well as mental torture to her at the instance of accused number 2, full stop. When his daughter was coming towards her maternal home, she was stating about said cruelty to her mother and sister and the reason behind it, full stop. The complainant further alleged that when they learned about such ill treatment and reason behind it, they started to give the treatment to her at Sanjeevani Hospital, Sangvi, full stop. In response to said treatment, she gave birth to female child, full stop. The accused disliked it, full stop. They started to give blame to her on account of birth of female child, full stop. They also convinced deceased Varsha that she should not react on any sort of blame or taunts given by accused to her, full stop. Para. When that daughter of deceased Varsha became 2 years old, deceased Varsha joined service as health servant in hospital at Somatana Phata, full stop. According to the complainant, he was looking after entire expenses of the family through her salary, full stop. Irrespective of this fact, the accused continued their ill treatment to her by giving blame to her that he has not created male child, full stop. Irrespective of this fact, deceased Varsha was tolerating all the aforesaid ill treatment at the hands of accused, full stop. When the ill treatment at their hands became intolerable, she returned towards her maternal house in 2019, full stop. She resided for a period of somewhere 2.5 months, full stop. The complainant again convinced her daughter and sent her again for cohabitation towards accused, full stop. Para. Though Varsha returned for cohabitation after lapse of somewhere 2.5 months on the background of her grievance about ill treatment, the accused continued sale ill treatment, full stop. According to the complainant, the accused number 2 was humiliating deceased Varsha by stating that house in question where she is residing along with her husband is her own house, therefore, she should not reside in said house, full stop. The accused number 2 was also going on person of deceased Varsha in aggressive mood even in his presence, full stop. Though the complainant himself witnessed the cruel treatment in aforesaid manner, he convinced his daughter to keep quiet, full stop. In the year 2020, deceased Varsha again came towards her maternal home as the ill treatment on the part of the accused was intolerable to her, full stop. The complainant and others convinced the accused number 1 after lapse of period of 1 month, full stop. Then he took deceased Varsha again for cohabitation. Stop.